Exploring the waters. Understanding boat tour. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often conjures up images of beautiful waterways and leisurely days: boat tour. We'll navigate through its meaning, usage, and context to ensure that by the end of this video, you'll be ready to set sail in English conversations. A boat tour is a journey or excursion on a boat designed to show tourists or visitors around a place from the perspective of the water. Often, these tours are guided, with a person providing information about the sights and sounds you encounter along the way. Let's dissect the phrase. Boat refers to the medium of travel, which can range from small rowboats to large river cruise ships. Tour implies a journey with the purpose of exploring or sightseeing, usually with a start and end point, and it often includes a guide or a planned route. You might use boat tour in a variety of contexts. Planning a vacation. I've booked a boat tour along the Seine in Paris. Recommending experiences. If you're visiting Venice, you should definitely take a boat tour of the canals. Describing past travels. One of the highlights of my trip was a boat tour around the islands. Remember, a boat tour isn't limited to ocean or sea journeys. It can also include tours on rivers, lakes, canals, or any significant body of water. Boat tours can carry cultural significance, offering a unique perspective of a location's history and geography. For instance, a Mississippi River boat tour might delve into the history of the southern United States, while a gondola tour in Venice could provide insights into Venetian architecture and local customs. There are also specialized types of boat tours, such as sightseeing tours, focus on the scenery and landmarks. Wildlife tours aim to show animals and nature, like whale watching. Night cruises offer a view of the nighttime skyline or sunset. Dining cruises include meals and often entertainment. Each type provides a different experience, but they all share the common thread of exploring via waterways. That brings us to the end of our journey today. I hope you've enjoyed learning about boat tours and feel confident using this phrase in your English conversations. Whether you're planning to go on a boat tour or just dreaming about it, remember this phrase is your ticket to talking about some truly unforgettable experiences. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.